Okay, we're going to go through the mapping tab, which is softkey A. So we'll select that. So once that's selected, we have maps as our first thing. So once we have coverage map going, it's going to show coverage in blue and then your overlap in dark blue. At the very bottom, and then you can pan in or pan out at the very bottom, or change different views just by selecting a few different buttons there. Okay, next one we can go to at the very bottom is map settings. So we'll select that. Once you're on this page, at the very bottom, you have clear field map coverage, this field only, or all farms and fields. This is how you clear your blue coverage maps. So if you're taking a 2630 out of a tractor and putting it in a combine, chances are you've been through all those fields already and they'll have coverage on them. So you can just go all farms and fields and hit accept, and that'll clear all your blue coverage maps. Okay, so now we have all our harvest stuff is getting set up. So the next thing to do is change our foreground. So we'll go coverage only, and we'll change it to yield. And we'll go accept. Okay, so off to the side we have our bushel to the acre, so we can also customize this. So greater than and less than, so less than we can go 25, and greater than put 75. We'll hit accept. So once you start combining, all these colors will kind of represent what kind of yield you're getting. Okay, next thing is boundaries. So these are optional as well. So if you want to start a boundary, it already has your client farm and field there. All you have to do is hit the record button and it'll start making a boundary. You can also switch where it starts recording from. So you can go from the header, from the tires, from the right side or the left side. And your boundary offset, that's basically from the receiver out. So right from the middle of the machine, since we're picking up a 30-foot swath, it's going to be 15 feet. Next tab over is flags. So to set this up, all you have to do is button 1. You can put rocks. So once you start combining, you see pile of rocks or weeds, or you can put low spots. You can just hit that and it'll mark it a little flag on that piece of the field. And next is multi-machine. So if you had a machine sync activation, this is where you would set all that up.